श्री गणेशाय नमः। ओम श्री सरस्वत्यै नमः। ओम श्री गुरुभ्यो नमः। श्रुतिस्मृतिपुराणानाम् आलयं करुणालयं नमामि भगवत्पाद शङ्करं लोकशङ्करं। शङ्करं शङ्कराचार्यं केशवं बादरायणं सूत्रभाष्यकृतौ वन्दे भगवन्तौ पुनः पुनः। ईश्वरो गुरुरात्मेति मूर्तिभेदविभागिने व्योमवद्व्याप्तदेहाय दक्षिणामूर्तये नमः। योऽन्तः प्रविश्य मम वाचमिमां प्रसुप्तां सञ्जीवयत्यखिलशक्तिधरस्वधाम्ना अन्यांश हस्तचरणश्रवणत्वगादीन् प्राणान् नमो भगवते पुरुषाय तुभ्यम्। सुखं नित्यं स्वप्रकाशं व्यापकं नामरूपयोः अधिष्ठानं बुद्ध्यबोध्यं बुद्धेर्दृग्यत्तु निर्मलम् अपारं सर्ववेदान्त वेद्यं प्रत्यक्परं महः तदेवाहं न मत्तोऽन्यत् इति मे निश्चिता मतिः। तदेव अहं मत्तः अन्यत् न इति मे निश्चिता मतिः. We had seen the Mangalacharana, and on that Mangalacharana, doubt was raised. If you see the earlier doubts and the next doubts also, we may get the idea or we may have a question in our mind itself. After having explained this Mangalacharana in depth, in detail, how exactly it explains Brahma, what exactly the Brahman is, and how I am that Brahman, then how come an objection is being raised, such as first objection was raised, Swa Atma Vishayakam Mangalacharanam. It is not proper, it is not appropriate to do Mangalacharana that glorifies one's own self. And when oneself has been said, or oneself was said, what was intended was me as Jiva, or with this Deha, body. Mangalacharana explains, I am not this body. But the question is raised with the idea that I am this body. Second doubt was, it is not appropriate to say that Ishwaradi Devatar effect of you yourself. And when it is said you yourself, Tvat Mangalam, what is intended is you as Jiva. But we have said, I am Brahman, me as Brahma. Third and fourth doubt are in the same way. Then the question is, why has these doubts been raised? What is the reason behind raising these doubts? And the only reason, the answer is that we should not confuse the two levels of reality. We should not take Paramarthika Satta and Vyavaharika Satta together. When I should have that clear differentiation and understanding that I am Brahman means Aham, not this body, not Sukshma Sharira, not Karana Sharira, but Brahman alone. The Lakshyartha alone should be taken. Then alone Aham Brahmasmi treatment will be true. I am that Brahman statement will be true only when the true nature of I and true nature of Brahman is known. From transactional standpoint, I am not Brahman. I am Brahman from absolute standpoint alone. To have this clarity, to have this differentiation, these doubts have been raised. So last time we saw the doubt was raised that it is not proper to do Mangalacharana of yourself and saying that all these devatas are my effect of me, All these devatas are effect of whom? Ishvara. They are glory of Ishvara. And thus, it is okay to say that they are effect of Ishvara, and for that matter, for that reason, you can do Mangalacharan of Ishvara. You can do Mangalacharan of glorifying Ishvara, but not saying or glorifying yourself. And the answer was given, the Ishvara upon which all yogis meditate, from which everything is born, of whom all these devatas are effect, that Ishvara is with Maya Upadhi. Brahman with Maya Upadhi at Samashti level, totality level, alone is Ishvara. And I am Brahman. So Ishvara is superimposed in me, Brahman. And that which is superimposed can never exceed, excel, or surpass the substratum or the locus on which it is superimposed. We had seen the example, snake can never be longer, bigger, and larger than the rope on which it is superimposed. It will have exactly same size or maybe a smaller size than that of rope. Which rope? The rope on which that snake is superimposed. Which snake? Superimposed snake. Don't take two different snakes. A real snake might be longer or shorter than a different ropes. That's not the idea. That's not the hetu here. That's not the reason or the explanation. Superimposed entity can never surpass, exceed on its locus. Thus, when I do Mangalacharana with me idea that I am Brahman, when that Brahman is glorified, Ishvara and its effect are innately taken into consideration and their Mangalacharana is done. Now, next doubt is raised. While raising next doubt, the author is coming to a point where he is talking about Shuddha Brahma, Nirupadhika Brahma. If you see the progression of doubt, first it was me as this body, Jiva. Then he has progressed to Ishvara. And now he is coming to Nirupadhika Brahma. Doubt is raised. Let's see. तृतीयः आक्षेपः ननु शुद्धे ब्रह्मणि ईश्वरः कल्पितः इति शक्यते वक्तुं न तु सुतरां त्वयि परिच्छिन्ने. Nanu, but okay, what you say is right. It is right to say that Shuddhe Brahmani, in Shuddha Brahma, Shuddha Nirupadhika, Maya Tatkarya Rahita. Brahman without the upadhi of Maya. In that Brahman, Ishvaraha Kalpitaha, Ishvara is superimposed. Iti Shakyate Vaktum. It's okay to say, we can say that, but na sutaram tvayi parichinne, but not in you who is parichinna, limited by time, place, and object. Tvayi parichinne refers to me with this deha upadhi or as a jiva. I am limited. Parichinne. So you may glorify Brahma, you may indicate that Brahman in Mangalacharana, but you can never say that you who is limited is that Brahman which is limitless. Ataha, therefore, Nirguna Brahma Smarane Eva कृतानि भवन्ति इतर सकल देवता मंगलानि. When you remember, therefore, when you remember Nirguna Brahma Smaranena Eva, Eva Avadharanartham, then and then alone, Nirguna Brahma Smaranena Eva, when you remember Nirguna Brahma, then and then alone, Itara Sakala Devata Mangalani Krutani Bhavanti. Itara Sakala Devata Mangalani. All other devatas are remembered. They are innately remembered. When Nirguna Brahma Smaranena, when you remember Nirguna Brahma Smarana, when you know Nirguna Brahma, but not Natu Tvat Smaranat iti chet, not by remembering yourself and yourself parichinna, as this with body upadhi. You can never say, by remembering me myself, all devatas are remembered. To repeat, the objection is from transactional standpoint. And now the answer is given that samadhanam uchyate. यथा अधिष्ठानभूत रज्वाद्यज्ञानात् सर्पादिभ्रमः तदधिष्ठान याथात्म्य ज्ञानेन तन्निवृत्तिश्च तथा सकल जगदधिष्ठान प्रत्यगेक रस ब्रह्म अज्ञानात् जगत् प्रतीयते तदा अपरोक्षेण निशेषम निवर्तते च. यथा, just as अधिष्ठान भूत रज्वादि अज्ञानात्, अधिष्ठान bhuta, that which is the adhisthana, basis, substratum, and here it is referring to the example rope and snake. In that, what is the adhisthana? The rope is the adhisthana. Rajvadi ajnanat, ajnana, ignorance. Ajnanat, panchami, it is hetu, the cause, reason. Panchami vibhakti, at some places, usually it is used to show hetu. Ajnanat, on account of ajnana, on account of ignorance. Ignorance of what? Adhisthana bhutarajju, the rope which acts as adhisthana substratum for what? Sarpadi brahma, for sarpadi brahma. So sarpadi brahma is on account of ignorance of its substratum or locus, that is the rope. But tad adhisthana yathatmya jnanena, tad adhisthana, tad refers to sarpadi brahma, the delusion of snake, or the ajnana or the brahma of snake. Tasya adhisthana, its substratum, that is rope. Yathatnya jnanena, yathatnya, exactly the way it is. Yatha atma tatha, exactly the way it is. Jnanena, by knowledge. So knowing rope as rope, when that rope is known as rope, in other words, when ignorance of rope goes away, is removed, tannivrittischa, that brahma gets removed. When has that brahma been removed? Only when tad adhisthana yathatnya jnanena, its adhisthana is known Yathatmya, exactly the way it is. You should not say, okay, there was rope, or let me just explain it in different way. You know, that day while walking on the road, I saw snake. So I was worried, but then I looked clearly, and then I found out it was not snake, but that was just a stream of water. Now I am not seeing rope, but what am I seeing? A stream of water or a garland. But what was there exactly? Rope. This is not Yathatmya Jnana. Earlier, I had superimposed snake on the rope, and now I'm not seeing snake, but I have superimposed something else. This also is not proper. Tannivrittisya, Brahma Nivritti will take place. Adhyasa Nivritti will take place only when substratum is known exactly the way it is. In this way, exactly like this, Tatha, similarly, Sakala Jagat Adhishthana. Sakala Jagat. Sakala Jagat is Brahma. Adhishthana of that Brahma, of this world. Adhishthana, substratum, locus. What is that locus? Pratyak ekarasa Brahma Ajnanat. Pratyak ekarasa. Pratyak, innermost. Ekarasa, akhanda, one and one alone. That Brahma, Ajnanat, ignorance of that Brahma. Because of that ignorance, Jagat Pratiyate, the world is experienced, the world is seen. Sakala Jagat Adhishthana Pratyagekara Brahma Ajnanat. Ignorance of that Brahman on which the, or better take it this way, ignorance of Brahman, which is Adhishthana of superimposed creation, Jagat. Because of ignorance of Brahman, ignorance of Adhishthana, superimposed entity that is Jagat, Pratiyate is experienced. Tada, then Aparokshena, when that Brahman is known Aparokshena, directly, when direct experience, direct knowledge takes place, Nishesham Nivartate cha. Nishesham, without leaving anything behind. What Nivartate cha? It undergoes lopa, it goes away. What goes away? Jagat Pratiti, the Pratiti, the experience of Jagat. Taccha Adhishtanam Brahma, Pratyagatma Ahameva. Taccha Adhishtanam, the Adhisthana, that Adhisthana which is Brahma, which is Pratyagatma, innermost, me, myself, my own Swarupa, Ahameva, I alone am. Tad eva aham, what was said in Mangalacharana, Ahameva is being explained. Tadevaham namattonyata. Question was, you should remember that Brahman and you should not glorify or remember yourself. The answer is given. That Brahman is me and me alone. So when I am remembering myself, I am remembering Brahman, not this body, not this mind, not any of this upadhi, but Brahman and Brahman alone. The point to take away in this explanation is only when Brahma Jnana, how Aparoksha Brahma Jnana, takes place exactly the way it is. Yathatnya. For yathatnya, here the word has been used aparokshena. Then and then alone, Jagat Brahma is going to go away. An additional point which is going to be explained later. It is easier to say that knowing rope, the experience of snake is going to go away. But it is difficult to say that even though I know that mirage water is not real, even though I know I see that substratum or that hot earth, heated earth, the sun rays, the experience of mirage water is not going to go away. What is the difference? In case of mirage water, the difference is on account of knowledge, the reality given to the experience is going to go away. And when that reality goes away, all the effects, all the or effects only, the sukha, dukkha, etc., on account of giving reality to that experience, they also will go away because ignorance has gone away. Even though effect appears, they will not affect me. Similarly, when Brahmajnana takes place, it is never said that you will stop experiencing Jagat, but the reality which I gave to this world is surely going to go away. I will, and with that, I will stop seeing Jagat as Jagat. This we will see in detail later as the text progresses. The author will take up what is aparoksha, what is pratyaksha, etc. Now, okay, what you say is true, but you have to validate. Where is the proof? Proof kya hai? Author says, Nayam mama prajnavadha. I am not saying this out of my own intellect, out of own my mind. My own mind. The valedictory proofs are there in Upanishads. Where are they? Kaivalya Upanishad is being referred. अयमात्मा हि ब्रह्मैव सर्वात्मकतया स्थितः इति निर्धारितं श्रुत्या बृहदारण्य संस्थया. Linga Purana reference is being given. Ayam Atma hi Brahmaiva. Ayam Atma, this Atma alone is Brahma, which is Sarvatmakataya Sthitaha, which exists, which is Sarvatma, the innermost of all, Sar, the Swarupa of all, Sarvatmakataya, which exists as Swarupa of all. Iti nirdharitam shrutya. Iti shrutya nirdharitam. This has been ascertained by shrutya, by shruti, by Upanishad. Which shruti? Bruhadaranyaka samsthaya. Bruhadaranya samsthaya. In Bruhadaranyaka shakha. So, Bruhadaranyaka Upanishad says, Ayam Atma Brahma. This Atma is Brahman. Now, what is this Atma is explained. यच्चाप्नोति यदा दत्ते यच्चाति विषयानिह यच्चास्य संततो भावः तस्मादात्मेति गीयते. And this is a very beautiful definition. यच्चाप्नोति यदा दत्ते यच्चाति विषयानिह यच्चास्य संततो भावः तस्मात् आत्मेति गीयते. Atma, at, from verbal root at, it can be Derived. Atma word can be derived. What is Atma? Yach apnoti. Yach adatte. Yach vishayan atti. And yach asya santataha bhavaha. Let us see one by one. Yach apnoti. Apnoti, vyapnoti, that which pervades. That which pervades is Atma. How so? Let's take the example of snake and rope. Rope pervades the whole snake. Wherever the snake is experienced or snake is seen, in all those places, Atma is there. Sorry, rope is there. Similarly, Atma pervades everything. Everything that is name and form. All Nama Rupa are pervaded by Atma. Let's take from our own experiential standpoint. In Swapna, in Swapnavastha, all that I experience is pervaded by me. In Swapnavastha, all the dream that is being experienced is pervaded by me, because I alone am is seen with different objects. Swapnavastha. Where am I seeing that Swapna Jagat, dream world? In me myself. So I am pervading that whole dream world. I am Vyapnoti. I am pervading that dream world. Yaccha adatte. Adatte samharati. Takes up. Samharati here it means, or here what is the intended meaning is experiences. Anubhavati adatte. What does he adatte? Sorry. Adatte is withdraws. Samharati withdraws. Adatte vishayan. It withdraws or destroys all vishaya. During deep sleep, during deep sleep, the pralaya, dissolution of entire jagat, may that be a jagat from Jagrat Avastha or Swapna Avastha, the dissolution of that jagat takes place. In deep sleep, we are not experiencing any Vishaya. What are Vishaya? Shabda, Sparsha, Rupa, Rasa, Gandha. Shabda, sound, Sparsha, touch, Rupa, form, Rasa, taste, Gandha, smell. We experience only these five things. These five alone are Vishaya, that which we can experience, nothing else. All these are withdrawn when in deep sleep. Where are they withdrawn? In me. Yacha adatte. Next definition is, next part is yachati vishayaniha. Yacha vishayan atti. That which eats or experiences the whole world. Sense experiences, sense objects. When do we experience all the sense objects? In Jagrat Avastha. While in waking, we experience all the sense objects, all the Vishayas. Thus, I am experiencing Vishayas where in Jagrad Avastha. And now it is said, Yachasya santato bhavaha, santataha bhavaha. What it is? Santata, the continuity, the ever existent principle without any change. Let's just go back. Yacha apnoti, vyapnoti. Where do I pervade all Vishayas? In Swapnavastha. Yacha adatte, Vishayan adatte, withdraws all sense objects, withdraws Jagat when in Sushupti Avastha, in deep sleep. Yacha atti Vishayan, Yacha Vishayan atti, which experiences sense objects when in Jagrad Avastha, the one who is experiencing sense objects or Jagat in Jagrad Avastha, the one who pervades Jagat in Swapnavastha, or the one who withdraws Jagat like in Sushupti Avastha. That I, that Aham, which is ever existent in all these three avasthas, Santataha Bhavaha, ever existing principle, that Santata Bhavaha, that is Atma. And because of all these qualities, all these indicators, Atma is called as Atma. Tasmat Atmeti Giyate. That principle is called as Atma. So Atma is that. And when we say Atma, don't think there is something which is different. Atma means me, I. If we take literally, Atma means me, Aham, I. When you say I, the I which you are referring to is actually Atma, but you attach Upadhi and you forget who you truly are. That alone is the problem. So, I, in its true sense, who is that I? That which pervades this whole world, that which withdraws this whole world, and the one who experiences this whole world. And in all these three stages, the one who is ever existing, which does not undergo any change, that I is me, Atma. Not Ahankara, not Buddhi, not Mana, not Antahkarana, but Sakshi of Buddhi, Mana, etc. Buddhehe Druk. Next reference is very famous. Tattvamasi, you are that. Tvam Tadasi, in the same thing but in the different word. You are that. Tattvamasi, Tvam Tadasi. Not different from each other. One is from Chandogya Upanishad and one is from Paingal Upanishad. What is Tat and what is Tvam? Yat param brahma sarvatma vishwasyayatanam mahat sukshmat sukshmataram nityam tattvameva tvameva tat. Tat, what is that? That is Yat Param, that which is Shreshtham, Param, Brahma. What is that Brahma? Sarvatma, the innermost principle of all. Vishwasyayatanam Mahata, Ayatana, abode of this whole world, that which holds this world together, or better, which is Adhisthana of this world. Is it experiential? No. Sukshmat Sukshmataram, which is subtler than the subtlest. And when we say subtler than the subtlest, it is not available for experience to our sense organs. What is sukshma or anoho, aniyan, anutara, subtle? That which cannot be experienced by our sense organs. And sukshmat sukshmataram is not even by our mind. Mahat, self-evident, shining. Nityam, it is nitya. Kalatrayepi tishtati, it exists in all three periods of time. Tat tvameva, that you are and you are that. Tvameva tat. Same thing is being repeated. Ekamadyantarahitam chinmatramalam param खादप्यतितरां सूक्ष्मं तद्ब्रह्मासि न संशयः. Ekam adyantarahitam, that which is one. Adyantarahitam, without the beginning and an end. Chinmatram, Chaitanya and Chaitanya alone. Amalam, without any mala. What was mala we had seen? Maya Tatkarya. Nirmalam, when we saw. Mala is Maya and Tatkarya is Mala. Where Maya and Maya Karya is not there. Tatam, Vyaptam, pervading. Khadapi atitaram sukshmam. Khadapi, Akashadapi. Sukshma, subtler than Akasha, space. It is subtler than space. Tad Brahma Asi. Tad Brahma Asi, Tvam Asi. That Brahman you are. Na samshaya, there is no doubt about it. Anena hi sarvam, anena sarvam ह्येतद् वेद. Anena sarvam hi etat. Anena brahmana. By this Brahman alone, etat sarvam veda. This everything is known or it is pervaded. Next definition is again very beautiful. तदेतत् तदेतत् प्रेयः पुत्रात् प्रेयः वित्तात् प्रेयः अन्यस्मात् सर्वस्माद् अन्तः अन्तस्तरं यदयमात्मा सयो अन्याम् आत्मनः प्रियं ब्रुवाणं ब्रूयात् प्रियं रोचति इति ईश्वरः हतथा एव स्यात् आत्मानमेव प्रियम् उपासीत. Tadetat preyaha. Tat etat. That Atma is preyaha, dearer. Dearer than Putrat preyaha. Dearer than son. Vittat preyaha. Dearer than vitta, money. Self is dearer than wealth. Anyasmat sarvasmat antastaram. Anyasmat sarvasmat. From everything else, it is nearer. It is nearer to me, innermost. Yet I am Atma, that Atma, I am, that this I am, that this Atma. Saha, yaha, anyam Atmanaha. Saha yaha, the one who, anyam Atmanaha. Atmanaha anyam, that which is different from me. Priyam Bruvanam says that which is different from me is dearer to me. Priyam Broyat, if he says, and somebody who knows that Atma and says, what does he say? Rotsyati iti. Priyam Tvam Rotsyati. That Rotsyati, it will get destroyed or it will be reason for your sorrows. Priyam, that which you consider dearest or dearer will be the reason for your sorrows. And when a Sant, a Mahatma, a Jivan Mukta says so, ha tatha eva syat, it the so that will happen. Why? Because that is the nature of things. When we consider something which is different from ourselves, dearer to us, it will be the cause of our sorrow. It will get destroyed. And thus Atmanam eva priyam upasita. That Atma alone should be known as the dearest. Very beautiful and interesting thing. Because in Bhashya, Bhashyakara refers upasita, yaha upaste, pratipadyate vijanati. The one who knows. What does he know? Atma is the dearest. And why is it so? Because it is nearer to me. And that which is nearer to me is dearer to me. The the blood relations are dearer than distant relatives, is it not? Those relations which are distant are not dear. Those relations which are nearer are dearer. This is the practical experience. And then from that, more than that, this body is dearer than this body. Pranas are dearer. From this prana, mind, buddhi, etc., everything is dearer because everything is innermost than the other. What do I say? Okay, I may not be able to use my hand, but I am alive. It's fine with me. At least I have not died. I may have lost my arm, but I am still alive. So I am happy. I may not be able to use my mind efficiently as I used to use earlier, or intellect, but still, what do I say? It's fine because I am there. Because this I experience, ahankara, is nearest. But who is the dearest? Who is me, myself? Atma. This should be known. Atma hi esham saha bhavati. He becomes Atma of these all. Esham of Jagat, everything. Now it is said, Yat sakshat aparokshat brahma ya atma sarvantaraha. That Atma, which is sarvantaraha, innermost of all, the inner nature, true nature of all, that Atma is Sakshat Aparokshat Brahma. Sakshat Avyavahitam, immediate. Vyavadhana is a disturbance, an obstruction. Avyavahita, without any obstruction. Avyavahitam, aparoksham, aparokshat, aparoksham, agaunam. What do you mean by agaunam? Not Shrotram Brahma, Mano Brahma, ityadi yatha gaunam. In Bhashyakara has said, Shrotram Brahma, Mano Brahma. Like we say, Shrotram Brahmeti Vyajanat, Mano Brahmeti Vyajanat, Prana Brahmeti Vyajanat. Shrotra should be known as Brahma, Prana should be known as Brahma, Mana should be known as Brahma. Not like that. Because they are Gauna, they are Brahma in secondary sense. But in primary sense, aparokshat, aparoksham, immediately, if we were to phrase that which is immediately presented into experienced and directly observed without any obstruction. There is no buddhi vritti which is obstructing. In all my experiences, there is buddhi vritti in between. The objects outside are experienced, or even our thoughts, my emotions are experienced through a buddhi vritti. So there is vyavadhana of that vritti. Aham Brahmasmi statement will be true then and then alone when that vritti has also been dropped and I am experiencing myself immediately, directly, without any obstruction. That is aparoksham brahma ityadi shrutibhyah. More references will be given, explanation will be given. Why is it so? But that we will see next time. Om असतो मा सद्गमय तमसो मा ज्योतिर्गमय मृत्योर्मा अमृतंगमय ओम शांति 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 समस्तलोका सुखिनो भवन्तु समस्तलोका सुखिनो भवन्तु समस्तलोका सुखिनो भवन्तु ओम शांति 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 हरि ओम श्री गुरुभ्यो नमः हरि ओम